Imagine driving on top of the world, where fall is not just arriving, it's chasing you down the road. After an unforgettable adventure on the Dempster Highway, we made a little detour to Chicken, Alaska. Why? You guessed it, waiting for yet another package. But this time, we didn't mind it at all, because heading back to Chicken meant we got to drive the top of the world highway, and this time, autumn was hot on our heels. We knew colder weather was coming, and we were ready for the rich autumn colors. But what we didn't expect? Snow. Yes, snow on Labor Day. As we rolled into Chicken, we found the town closed for the holiday, leaving us to hunt for a camp spot nearby. And honestly, fall had already transformed the landscape so dramatically, it felt like stepping into a painting. Golden leaves shimmered in the crisp air, and the deep reds of moss blanketed the ground like a fiery quilt, creating a view that quite literally took our breath away. It wasn't just the sights that surprised us. The cold had creeped in too. How cold, are you asking? Well, let's just say our cooking oil had turned thick in the Defender overnight.
The next morning, after a freezing but beautiful night under the stars, we finally picked up our package.
So this is the post office in Chicken. So freaking cute.
While snapping some photos on the side of the road, we suddenly realized Willy was looking somehow funny. Sadly, this thing broke out of the aluminium part, so we have to remove it. The top of the World Highway is a stunning 127-kilometer route that winds along the mountain ridges between Chicken, Alaska and Dawson City in the Yukon. Known for its stunning panoramic views, it feels like you're driving on top of the world. We'd seen the top of the World Highway in summer, but nothing prepared us for the way the landscape had transformed. The colors, vivid golds and fiery reds, shifted almost overnight, painting the horizon in views we didn't expect to see so soon.
driving into Dawson City felt like stepping back into the past. While we weren't here to search for gold, you can still feel the history in every corner. The colorful old houses, wooden boardwalks, and even the saloons take you right back to the Klondike Gold Rush days. It's hard to believe this small town was once packed with people chasing their fortune.
So we decided to have ice cream instead of the sourdough cocktail.
Back in 1896, this place exploded with prospectors searching for gold, turning it into a bustling city of 40,000 people. Today, the population has shrunk, with only 1,400 people still living here. But there's a sad side too. Dawson City is built on permafrost, which is ground that's supposed to stay frozen. As the climate warms, the permafrost is melting, and it's causing buildings, like the beautiful St. Andrew's Church, to sink and fall apart. It's a reminder that climate change is affecting even the most historic and remote places.
Before starting our drive south, we had to give Willy another shower. Just a short drive from Dawson City, we stumbled upon the Five Finger Rapids, a beautiful nature wonder along the Yukon River. Picture this: steep cliffs surround a narrow stretch of water, creating wild, swirling rapids that once challenged the gold rush prospectors navigating the river. We're always on the hunt for that perfect camp spot in the wild. And this one was truly epic. Sure, the wind had us questioning our choice a few times, but it was totally worth it. So what do you think about our new camp spot?
It's very high, but it's nice.
Almost perfect, right?
Almost. The water is missing.
The water is missing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello! So we are back in Whitehorse and we have to take care about a couple things like grocery shopping, food for the dog. We have to make maintenance at Willy. We have to pick up a parcel on Monday. We have to take a shower, fill up diesel, water, gas, all the things that we need to fresh up to be able to continue our journey for the next 2 weeks without going somewhere. So usually my wife goes grocery shopping and I do take care for other things.
Yeah. I like my peace and quiet when I do grocery shopping.
Yes. It's better for everybody that you go alone without me because I'm very impatient.
Yeah.
Right.
I went grocery shopping. I'm tired.
Somehow it's a miracle how everything fits in the car somehow.
Yeah.
And what do you think? How long do we stay on the road with this food?
I think 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We should be fine for 2 weeks.
Great.
Yeah. So yeah. It's not going to be a 5-star menu every day, but
Almost. 4.5 star.
yeah, exactly. With our to-do list completely done, it's time to rev the engines for our next adventure. Get ready for the wild ride along the iconic Alaska Highway. Stay tuned for the thrill and surprises that await in our next episode.